Hello guys, do you want to restore your iPad without using iTunes? Watch this video till the end to know more. Usually, iTunes is required to restore or factory reset an iPad, but sometimes you may forget your Apple ID or password and may not be able to access iTunes. You may also need to restore without iTunes if you get the iTunes Restore Error 3194, Error 9, Upgrade Error 3004 or Error 14. In these cases, you have to think of a way to restore your iPad without using iTunes. You can restore iPad without iTunes for free and even without a computer. Open Settings on your iPad, go to General, then Reset, and choose Erase all contents and settings. Provide the PIN if necessary and click on Erase if prompted. This will restore your iPad to the factory defaults. However, if you aren't able to access your device due to a problem, this method won't work. Try the next method in that case. If the first method fails, UltFone iOS system repair deserves a try. The software can repair your iOS device from more than 150 system problems. Step 1. Launch the software and connect your iPad to the Windows or Mac via USB cable. Step 2. Once the device is connected, select the Reset Device option at the bottom. Step 3. Choose the Factory Reset mode and click on the Factory Reset button to proceed. Step 4. Before you start factory resetting your iPad, you need to download the latest firmware or choose one from your computer. Click on Download to start downloading the firmware. Step 5. Once the download or import is complete, click on Start Reset and confirm your choice to reset your device. Your iPad will go back to normal once the process is complete. Find My is a feature in iCloud that allows you to reset your device remotely. However, you will need your Apple ID and password to continue, and your device must have the Find My feature enabled for this to work. Visit the iCloud.com website and log into iCloud. Now, click on the Find My option at the bottom. Click on All Devices and select your iPad from the list. Lastly, click on Erase iPad and confirm your choice to reset your iPad remotely. As mentioned before, this method won't work if you don't remember your Apple ID or password. So, in this video we shared how to restore your iPad without iTunes. UltFone iOS system repair is the best solution to fix your iPad or iPhone system problems without losing any data. That's all for this video. Like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the UltFone channel. See you next time.